How to fix Instagram not letting you change your profile picture. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. If you're having an issue where you try to change your profile picture on Instagram, you simply cannot do it because Instagram is not letting you. Now most of the times you tap on edit profile to upload and change your profile picture. Now instead of doing that, what you can do is tap and hold the profile picture from here and a menu should pop up where you can now tap on new profile picture and then upload it from here. Now by alone doing that, most of you should be able to add in a new profile picture. If you still cannot, then you can try to update your app of Instagram. So open up your Play Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update, you can tap on update and update the app. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue. Now even if you update and you still cannot change your profile picture, what you can do is you can now try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your device. You can completely uninstall it, and once it has been uninstalled, you can again download it and try login into your account. Now after you do these couple of steps, you should be able to add in your profile picture. But if you still cannot, the alternative to that is you can just open up a web browser and then open up instagram.com and log into your account. From there you should be able to change in your profile picture of Instagram, and this may be happening because there is some kind of issue happening in the system of Instagram, and later on you should be able to upload it or change your profile picture. But for now you can just open up a web browser or use your desktop or laptops to change your profile picture of Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.